An ionic compound is made when atoms lose or gain electrons to form charged particles, which are then strongly attracted to one another by an ionic bond. These charged particles are called ions. Metal atoms empty their outermost shell by donating an electron to a non-metal, which gains this electron in its outer shell. There are a few things you need to know about electrons. 1. Electrons always occupy shells. 2. The first shell nearest the nucleus is always filled first. 3. Only a certain number of electrons are allowed in each shell. 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, 8 in the third shell. 4. If the outer shell is not full, this makes the atom reactive. Elements in groups 1 and 2 of the periodic table are keen to get rid of their electron in the outer shell, so they are left with only full outer shells. Elements in groups 6 and 7 are keen to gain electrons to fill up their outer shells. The elements in groups 1, 2, 6 and 7 most readily form ions. Groups 1 and 2 are metals, and these lose electrons to form positive ions or cations. Groups 6 and 7 are non-metals, and these gain electrons to form negative ions or anions. Only elements of the opposite sides of the periodic table can form ionic bonds,